In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete audience in Mailchimp. We'll walk through the process step by step, so you can confidently remove contacts you no longer need while staying compliant with privacy laws. Before you start, make sure you really want to delete these contacts, because once they're removed the way I'll show you, they cannot be recovered or re-imported. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual login details. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel there. Find the option labeled Audience and click on it. This will open up your contact list. Take a moment to review the list and locate the audience, or specific contacts within that audience that you want to delete. Carefully select the contacts you wish to remove, double-checking that you've chosen the correct ones. After you've made your selection, look at the top of the contact list. A set of options will appear. Among these, you'll see a More Options icon or menu. Click on that, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Delete. As soon as you do this, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. In this pop-up, Mailchimp will ask you to confirm that you're sure you want to remove the number of contacts you've selected. This is where you'll also see a section called Permanently Delete for compliance reasons. Under that, there is an explanation such as, they asked me to and I must comply with privacy laws like GDPR, CCPA. Select this option to indicate that you are deleting these contacts for privacy and compliance reasons. Next, click on Continue to Delete at the bottom right of the pop-up. The pop-up will refresh and clearly warn you that you are about to permanently delete these contacts. You'll see a checkbox next to a statement that says something along the lines of, I understand these contacts can never be re-imported again. Check that box to confirm you understand the consequences. Below that, you'll be asked to type the phrase permanently delete into a field. Enter it exactly as shown, then click the permanently delete button at the bottom right. Now, wait for the page to reload. Once Mailchimp has queued your request, you should see a small notification at the bottom of your screen saying, contacts queued to be permanently deleted. That's your confirmation that the process has started and your selected contacts will be removed from your audience.